Hi guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you the process of making some sketch and then transferring it to the cintiq. I've never done that before. So in this video, I figured might as well do that, and because I'm trying to upload every single week now. Like, I have so much time and yet I'm paralyzed by not doing anything because I'm scared of trying. I remember when I was a kid, I was more like go go go, but now it's like wait, let's think about it first, but somehow I don't know if it's helping me. In this video I'm doing something, so I'm documenting that. I think that's good. That's a good Regina. That's good. So yeah, okay, anyways, I'm talking to myself now. And let's do this. Let's do this. Close-up version. So also I've been like trying a lot of lipsticks, like the MAC one, the Velvet. I know this is like an illustration art channel, but then I'm like talking about I've been like liking makeup. I've been like buying testing out the Wet n Wild lipsticks, but I still really like, I feel like I've been also watching Vogue makeup tutorials, and I really like the Brazilian makeup, or people who are kinda from Brazil, like the actresses and the singers, and they're just so pretty. And there's this one girl, Deborah Nascimento, if that's how you pronounce, I don't think that's how you pronounce her name, but the way that she like used like a coral lipstick, but I don't have it. I only have Velvet Teddy, and I figured it looks so good on her, so I wanted to get my own. So I tried to buy the Wet n Wild colors. I have a lot. I have more. I know I shouldn't buy them because I have to save money, but then whenever I'm like stressed out, I just tend to buy stuff, and I know that's not good, but that's like one of my habits. So now I have like a bunch of like Wet n Wild, but I like the Brazilian, the Physicians Formula, the Nights in Rio Brazilian. I like these two colors, Brazilian, not this one, the Brazilian Sunset. But yeah. So also, in an attempt to make myself feel better, I decided to pay more, just gouache paint over using watercolor paper, and then I painted a flower and then some leaves. But then the rest of my desk is really messy, so I'm not gonna show it. I'm feeling down. What to do? You're believing I thought. So I got that from here. Oh, I think from this one, what I've learned, maybe you can use your colored pencil for textured clothing, and because the flesh is really smooth, you can just use a dark paint, like a flat paint with, I used gouache again, but with watercolor, one trick you can do is you can just use your white gouache and then use your watercolor to add color, and then you'll create like pastel colors. So yeah. Maybe let's draw out the shoe. You can see the shoe. Let's wash it there. And then, yeah. Nice. Okay. Guys, so these are the sketches that I've been doing. Okay, fine, I'm just gonna show you. I'm kind of sick right now, so there's like Nike Dayquil over there, and then vitamin C, and then a bunch of that, and that's where my laptop is. So, but this is the setup for. I've been using combination of watercolor and colored pencils, and so far I think it's kind of cute. But I'm gonna try out more things, and yep. So I'm doing it for the mini ebook that I'm gonna make, and it's my first ebook using Photoshop. I'm kind of excited, but I'm using this opportunity today. I don't have any classes to just make art, even though I should study, but no. Anyways, okay guys. Hi guys again. So I just wanted to show you how I mix colors. So if I want like a darker brown, then I would use a darker brown. If I want it to be like, let's say this is a darker brown. It's dark. If I wanted to lighten it up, I can try to mix other browns, like this reddish brown, for example. And I just use that method with other colors, and I do that with the blues and with the reds and oranges, and it works so far. So I just wanted to add that little tip. Okay. So this is what I have right now. This is so cute. I really like how I made this. I like how it turned out. It's just so cute. yeah, I'm just using my watercolor, the same thing, and some markers. Like I bought this from the Japanese mini market in this in this city where I'm at. But this is the brand, and it's a dual tip thingy. Dual tip, is that how you say it? But it has 2 tips. And then I just use the bigger side and then the smaller to create the little curls. So that's where I'm at. Okay. So right now I'm going to take pictures of my drawings and I'm going to put them on Photoshop, and then I'm going to use my cintiq, and then I'm going to take a picture of this. Okay. Okay, so I have the picture now. And this is the cintiq. And then I'm just gonna mail it to myself. Let's see. So pick. Okay. Okay, so now I have it on Photoshop. So. Wow, this is amazing. Wow. Let's try it. Layer. Let's see. New layer. Okay, so far guys, this is only what I've accomplished, but I just finished eating dinner and I probably will just, I don't know, continue working. This will take me longer time, but I'm just gonna upload this video, and probably maybe next video I might show more of this this illustration and what I've accomplished. But so far that's about it, and yeah. Okay, so guys, so far that's what I've finished. It will take me probably longer to finish this, so probably in my next video, but I'm just gonna continue working, and yeah, I'll just upload this video now because I was supposed to upload this for Monday, but it took me longer to make this video. But that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I'm quite sick, but do have a nice week, and see you guys in my next video. Bye. So awkward. But so close up, but I like myself in the camera. I wonder if I try like adding like the blush on. It's pretty pink already, but I wonder